Organizing an election is a complex undertaking that requires meticulous planning and coordination. To ensure the process runs smoothly, the Electoral Office of Jamaica has employed thousands of personnel and implemented various measures to facilitate a secure and efficient voting experience. Chanel Matthews outlines some of the details on these preparations in this report.
As Jamaica prepares for this important election, the extensive planning and dedicated workforce underscores the country's commitment to a transparent and secure democratic process. The electoral process in Jamaica involves significant logistical efforts. The Electoral Office of Jamaica has reportedly employed over 35,000 individuals to assist with election activities. These efforts are aimed at ensuring transparency and efficiency on election day.
We engage a lot of persons external to the organization to assist us in terms of the logistical side of it. We depend on the security forces to assist us. We engage private persons to be what we call logistical coordinators to deal with all the logistical issues.
On election day, operations are scheduled to begin at 7 a.m. and conclude at 5 p.m. with measures in place to minimize disruptions and address potential issues. Additionally, the Electoral Office has introduced cybersecurity protocols to protect the integrity of the voting process and reduce the possibility of cyber attacks.
We have put in a department, a unit that focus on that aspect of what we do, and therefore we continue to put the necessary facilities in place to prevent any sort of not necessarily to prevent, but ensure that to reduce the ability for somebody to attack us and to find the attack to take place. And certainly in terms of our staff, we have a continuous training program to sensitize them to be aware of some of the issues that relates to that particular subject matter.
As Jamaica prepares for this important election, the extensive planning and dedicated workforce underscores the country's commitment to a transparent and secure democratic process. With ongoing efforts to address logistical and cybersecurity challenges, the Electoral Office of Jamaica aims to ensure that every vote is counted accurately, reaffirming the nation's dedication to upholding the integrity of its elections. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Chanel Matthews.